not walk anywhere. If there's a scoot or a train, a moped, a dirt bike in Guatemala, it's not that complicated. It makes perfect sense. You put scooters and bikes and trains in places for a reason. If you don't take advantage of it, you're just hurting the economy. Minivan or Corvette? Honestly, maybe minivan.
Ladies and gentlemen.
So, fun fact, same material that's going into the back wash pad of Gtechniq HQ.
So we ended up with a couple of different cars from a very generous dealer here in Denver to do our class. We need demo cars for every class. And unfortunately, in this case, the paint was too good, which you don't find very often. So we need to do some demonstrations on doing wet sanding and polishing. And on these cars, the paint condition is good enough that we don't necessarily need to do any kind of sanding on it. So what we're doing now is we're going to find a rental car that would be better suited, because most rental cars after a couple of thousand miles are completely hammered. So they, right, understatement, because of the way they get washed at the rental car agencies and the way they get taken care of. So that should give us a vehicle that we can actually demo a little bit more defect removal on through sanding and then polish.
One eternity later.
So actually, Dylan doesn't trust the guy. I, on the other hand, do trust the guy. So I'm gonna show up here at 7:30 in the morning, and he said that he will have a black, dirty vehicle for us, which means that we can wash it or run it through a tunnel wash on the way there.
And Kevin was very, very, very careful to explain exactly what we were going to do, except for the things that he didn't want the guy to know we were going to do.
So we explained, which was very weird to go into a rental agency and tell them this, but we explained that we need a very dirty, dark-colored vehicle for a detailing class.
And then he looked at you like you had 3 heads.
Yeah. So, but when we told him that it will come back nicer than we pick it up, he was intrigued. So it would probably be his personal vehicle that he brings, or his wife's.
This doesn't have rental tags on it.
So, which is fine. As long as it's black and dirty, I don't really care.
Don't ever do that. Are we gonna ask these guys, can you just wash it really not carefully?
Yeah. Tell them to take the brush they use on the windshield.
Actually, yeah. Can you do a pre-brush on it? Ask him for that.
I mean, we can. What are you looking to get done?
Just a very thorough cleaning.
On the exterior only.
Yeah, exterior only.
You only get outside?
Yeah.
So the one that I would probably suggest to you is the Super Shine. It does your tires are
Super Shine.
But if you're just looking for basics,
Super Shine.
I mean, you have 4 options to choose from. The higher up you go, the more chemicals they can put on your car.
Yeah.
We like chemicals.
Yeah. Look.
You like something like the Super Shine?
Yeah.
All the scrubs.
Do you like
debug
pre-scrub?
Yeah. If you could pre-scrub.
Yeah, we'll do that for you.
Like, you can scratch it too.
Yeah. Do they teach you guys to not scratch the paint?
Because we want to unlearn those things.
We kind of want to scratch it.
Oh, is there an option to install
Yeah.
additional swirls?
Can we add more money?
It's just more things that we can do.
No. Can't get out here.
Why can't I get out?
We're going through the car wash.
You don't want to get the... Yeah. Easy, CEO.
Where's he going? We're just looking to live the life of an everyday regular car owner that eventually will end up at one of our detail shops, where we would be looking to find a way to effectively remove any damage from the daily life of a car. In this case, a 2019 black F-150 with 4,200 miles. It's a rental. So it's likely been washed the better part of 100 times already.
Get this guy. Get in front of him. Get in front of him. Oh.
Oh! Hey, get over here. We have shirts.
Yeah, we do. Doesn't matter if they fit. We're putting them on anyway.
Oh God! You thought he was going, did you?
I didn't know what was gonna happen there.
What?
I'll be alright. Oh, green light. That guy called me ABS. What?
Yeah, say, hey, BS, how about you? Nope.
That was awesome, dude. Like, if you're intelligent enough to realize that I utilize my automatic braking system, what's it called?
Anti-lock.
Yeah. That guy's awesome.
Braking system.
It automatically brakes.
Hey, go Buffs. Jordan, you make sure you film him when he gets out of his van.
Oh, of course.
Oh, he went down that hill right there.
Was it?
He was cruising that way.
No.
It was that way. Up to the
It
left.
was up to the left.
Did he
No,
go?
it wasn't. It was this hill.
Did he?
No, there's Kung Fu Tea right there.
Yes, it was this hill. He was flying down this hill.
That hill right there. There's the tater tot place, right
Yeah.
there. He was flying down and hit
That Toyota.
that Toyota. There he is
What?
with his dogs.
What?
Kind of look like it.
Eric, what are we doing?
We are gonna go. I'll carry you on my back. He will.
I feel that
You excited about this,
Like,
Andrew?
No.
Andrew is very excited. This is actually
I
his
dare want you to pull the company card
I
out.
can't even tell you.
People do not know this, but Andrew was world champion roller skater.
No, Kevin. He's a world champion karate kid.
It is true.
2001.
He was.
I
That is
have
actually
seen-
true.
Because that.
I've seen the picture. It's a little.
You ready to do some learning today?
It's learning time. No, don't put that in there. No, don't put that in there either.
Come on, you can do it.
Well, we're gonna get the paint right to where she needs to be, and then we're gonna lay down these good old coatings that everyone loves so much.
I am ready. Are you ready?
Yeah.